Life Above the Clouds. I'm Lauren Gott, and this is my friend Leah.
Hi.
And today we're making red velvet. Hi. Today we're making red velvet whoopie pies.
Yeah. Okay, I'm in my apron. I'm ready to go.
So now we're super ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mess up my office wear, guys. It's okay, I never wear
another
this.
one?
I do, but I don't want to wear it.
Great.
Should I wear it? Gosh. We're finally gonna start by whisking together some dry ingredients. So we are gonna start with 2 cups of flour, and we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, I'm also gonna add a ½ teaspoon of salt. Here's our dry ingredients. We're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna whip together the butter. We need ½ cup of butter. Whip this up a little bit. And I want 1 cup of brown sugar. Guys, if you've seen my cannabis oven butter recipe video, I show you how I like to spoon them out in pre-measured portions and put them in an ice cube tray. So that way when you're ready, you can just take out like as much as you want. So you can either put this in the batter or you can put it in the frosting. And so we're just gonna put it in our frosting. So I'm gonna cream together this butter and sugar while Leah wrangles the dog and make sure he doesn't eat anything he's not supposed
Part of
to.
the recipe.
So we're gonna add our 1 egg in here. Then once we have this mixed in, we're gonna add buttermilk. Buttermilk is what actually gives red velvet its red velvety flavor. It's the acidity in the buttermilk, and if you don't have buttermilk, you can actually combine lemon juice or vinegar with regular milk. I didn't have buttermilk, so I actually combined, if you put 1 teaspoon of milk with, 1 teaspoon of vinegar with regular milk and combine it to a cup, even though we're only using 2/3 cups. I'm gonna continue mixing, and Leah is gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients. Oh yeah. Can you put that in that bowl
like
there?
it?
Yes.
This is why I came over.
I'm just gonna scrape the side.
I don't
of the
ever
bowl.
need the final product. I just need.
Oh, I forgot to add we're gonna add the red food coloring.
Wait,
That's how you make it red. Guys, that's how you make it red.
Nice.
This is supposedly organic food coloring though,
all just smoke and mirrors.
This is, you can add as much as you want. I don't like it to be super like red because it looks fake to me, but if you don't have that red coloring, it doesn't look like classic red velvet. How do you feel about it?
I feel great.
You continue mixing it until you get the color that you like. Ideally, you would probably use your electric mixer, but I forgot and Leah's already eating it, so it's fine. And then we're gonna portion out our cookie. And I have 2 scoops. These are 1½ tablespoon scoops. 1 for you and 1 for me.
These are fun.
Right? And so all of your cookies are gonna be the same size. It's magical. It makes life so much easier. So you just take it and then kind of press it against the side of the bowl. And then scrape it up. I'm gonna go put these in the oven. It's already preheated to 350 degrees. And we're gonna bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes. While they're in the oven cooking, we're gonna whip up our cream cheese frosting to go in the middle. And we need 6 ounces of cream cheese. I got my cream cheese whipping up. We're gonna put in 1/4 cup of butter total, and this is where I'm gonna add in our cannabis butter. Pro tip, when you're cooking with cannabis butter, mix it with your regular butter, so that way when you mix it into your batter, you mix it into your frosting, it mixes evenly. We whipped up our cream cheese, and we're gonna whip it up with the butter, and I kind of just melted it a little bit, so my cannabis butter and my... smells good?
So good.
Wow. And I'm mixing it together.
Whew.
And I'm just gonna add this in. You're gonna whip it up.
Perfect.
And then while you do that, I am going to measure out ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm gonna start adding the powdered sugar. We want a cup and a half. If you put frosting on hot cookies, the frosting is obviously going to melt. But because Leah is in a hurry because she has other places to be, we're just gonna up and like eat these. So what you would do is you would kind of match these up by shape and size because they don't come out like perfectly round. And then you would take, I usually like to use my scoop that I use to scoop the cookies, my 1½ tablespoon scoop, and scoop that amount of frosting right in the middle, and then you just sandwich them together and you have a beautiful sandwich cookie. We're just making our little sandwiches. Brazos is cleaning the table, no big deal. Look at that. Cheers!
Oh, it looks good.
Oh yeah. Real good.
You all would love it.
Thank you so much for watching. Today we made red velvet whoopie pies. They were red velvet cookies with cream cheese frosting in the middle, and they were so good.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
Yes, thank you, Leah, for coming to join me. I am going to add links to her social media and her podcast in the description section below. And you can also find links to my Patreon, my social media, so go follow all the things and like all the things and subscribe to all the things.
And give her money in the Patreon.
Yes! Seriously, thanks for watching. Peace. You didn't peace with me.